I think it's incredibly exciting and important that the launch of the Essex Book Festival has happened here on the University of Essex Campus in Colchester. There's two wonderful birthday parties happening. It's 60 years of the university and 25 years of the Book Festival. So as University Chancellor and patron of the Book Festival and Essex girl and Essex author, it's incredibly exciting to see the university and the community coming together to affirm the rich history and tradition of Essex as a county, the importance of the arts and the humanities in university education, and all the richness and wonderful things that the arts in Essex has to offer. It's quite hard to pick the most memorable thing so far of the day, but I've just had the most enormous fun doing a drawing with some ink made from oak galls that were collected from all over Essex. I didn't realise until today that oak gall ink used to be used to write the most important documents in our history. So for example, the Magna Carta is written in this type of ink. So a little girl from the local community and her mother and the rest of her family were bashing up oak galls to make this wonderful ink, and then we were using it to do drawings on scraps of paper. And I believe eventually it will go into creating a new Essex Charter, and that's something I'll never forget. There's something else that I'm going to remember for a long time, which was having the privilege of planting the flag in the university grounds. There are these beautiful 500 silk pennants that have been made, and they have been walked here from the Essex coast. And to take part in such an extraordinary community endeavour, bringing all of these symbols of Essex into one place on the campus was really wonderful.